This is our 8-liter Atom Sling, a classic take-everywhere sling with just the right amount of organization and close-fit comfort. We make this bag with a rugged 630 denier nylon plain weave with 50% recycled content. To resist moisture, it's coated with polyurethane and has a durable water-repellent finish. The zippered main pocket has a dedicated padded tablet sleeve. A convenient stretch mesh pocket on the shoulder strap accommodates a wide variety of phone sizes. The zippered front pocket holds small items and has a key clip. Adjustable exterior compression straps manage different size loads and securely hold a yoga mat or a spare jacket. Breathable 3D spacer mesh pads the shoulder strap and back panel to wick moisture, dry quickly, and increase ventilation. The Atom's teardrop shape keeps the pack right behind your shoulders where it stays out of the way. When you need to grab something from your pack, the single strap design lets you rotate the Atom for quick access. The 8-liter Atom Sling carries the fundamentals with ergonomic low-profile comfort and convenience.